We're basically a collection of shared use instruments, chemical and analytical instrumentation here in this facility. So we've got everything from mass spectrometers to chromatographs, optical spectrometers, microscopes. We do have some sample preparation equipment, surface science type of equipment. Researchers, students, postdocs can make reservations to use our equipment. We train them, there's a brief training period, and after they're trained they can come in and use the equipment at their leisure whenever they want. We're open 24/7 for chemistry researchers. As far as locations, we do have other locations. We're in sort of the main lab right now. We have about 25 or low 20s instruments in this lab. We also have Arlene's mass spectrometry lab. That's on the first floor of Wetherill. There's 3 mass spectrometers in her space, plus a microwave digester, which we use with our ICP-MS. We have 2 other rooms. We have another atomic force microscope in the basement of Brown. And we also have, on the 5th floor of Brown, we have another room that has our EPR and also a thermal evaporator. So we do charge by the hour. Training is an extra charge. The training varies from maybe 1 to 6 hours, depending on which particular instrument you're being trained to use. So while we do charge to use our instruments, assistance or consulting is free. So we're always here to help our users, get the data that they need. So this is our UV-Vis near IR spectrophotometer. So it's for taking absorbance measurements over a very broad wavelength range, all the way from the UV to the NIR. It's about as nice and fancy of a UV-Vis as you're likely to find. Moving on down here, this is our FTIR instrument with ATR accessory attached, which makes it very easy, a little more quick to analyze samples. We actually have 2 instruments like this. Our other one doesn't have the ATR accessory. It's set up more of a traditional cuvette arrangement. So we have 2 different FTIRs for people who may bring different types of samples. So we have 3 atomic force microscopes here in this lab. This is our multi-mode AFM. Next to it we have our dimension AFM. They're both from Vico. These instruments are high resolution surface topography measurements, nanometer scale surface analysis technique. The only difference between the 2 is the multi-mode is a little bit better performance in terms of imaging. The dimension, however, can analyze a bit larger area of a sample, 100 microns by 100 microns, and the dimension can accept physically larger samples than the multi-mode. So this is our fluorescence microscope. So it's basically for acquiring fluorescence-based images. So this instrument is our Waters UPLC mass spectrometer. It's a low resolution single quadrupole mass spec mated to a ultra performance liquid chromatograph. Across from it we have 2 instruments, Shimadzu GC, and right next to it is basically the same GC mated to a mass spectrometer. Very similar mass spectrometer to the one we just looked at, low resolution quadrupole. So basically a GC and a GC-MS. So this instrument is our Advion mass spectrometer. It's a single quadrupole, low resolution mass spec, no separations in front of this instrument. This instrument is heavily used by our organic and inorganic synthesis groups, who bring their reaction mixtures down, run them on this instrument to determine what they've synthesized.